What's up, data people? My name is Matthew Heffron, and welcome to Lesson 10, the Show Me tab. If you want to follow along, I put a link to the data source in the notes below. With that said, let's open up the Tableau public app. We'll go to Microsoft Excel, Sample Superstore, and open. Let's grab orders. We'll drop that in the data pane. And once that loads, let's go ahead to sheet 1. Okay, so if you look over here on the right, we have the Show Me tab. So let's give that a click. And what you can see is a bunch of visualizations. And they are grayed out because nothing is available. You haven't selected anything yet. Okay, so I think this thing is awesome, especially when you're getting started, because you might not know how to build different chart types. So this is like your cheat sheet. So we'll come in here and say, for my project I'm working on, I need a line chart. So I can come over here. I can look at the different options for line charts. Let's go for lines continuous. It says try one date and one measure. So what we can do is we can come over here and we can hold down our command key. Let's click a date and let's click a measure. And what you see here in the Show Me tab is now you have different options that are available. And see how this one's highlighted? This is recommended. So out of the pills that you've selected, the dimensions and measures you've selected, it highlights and tells you what Tableau recommends. So that's a pretty cool feature. But let's just give this continuous one a click and see what it looks like. Boom. Right there, we have a line chart. So it was as easy as that. You can see it's continuous. We have the green pills. So let's open the Show Me tab and let's go to the recommended. So this is discrete. So you can see now the pill changed to blue because it is discrete. Let's go back to continuous. Let's do an area chart. So we can click an area chart to make it look a little more exciting. Maybe we'll grab category, drop that on color. Cool. Let's go to the Show Me tab again. Let's look at a different option. Okay, so next, let's say we have to make a pie chart. So let's go ahead and clear this off and go to the pie chart and let's see, what do we need for a pie chart? We need one or more dimension, one or two measures. So let's grab category and let's grab sales. What if we grab profit too? Let's hit pie. Okay. And it's a great little starter. We're here, but then we can go ahead and make this look better. So we can say entire view. So it's a little bit bigger. Maybe when you hover, maybe we want to add some different labels to this. So we can turn on some labels right here. Let's grab category. We'll drop it on label. We can grab sum of profit. We can drop that on label. You can come in here to color. We can change the colors. Let's go to the border. Let's add a little break between those. Cool. So yeah, this is the Show Me tab. I find it really helpful if you need help on building a viz. The other cool thing you can do too is, let's do a stack bar chart. So let's look, stack bar chart. I need one dimension, one measure. So we'll grab category, cells. Let's do this stack bar chart, right? And then maybe let's do order date. We'll drop that up here too. So now we have this stack bar chart. And what we can see here is we have the sum of cells, which is continuous, right? We have your order date, which is discrete, and you have category on color. So what you can do too is, this is good practice. You can come in here and you can see how this was built, and then you can remove these and then go ahead and try to replicate those and go ahead and practice, build some of these chart types, get familiar with the Show Me tab. I think it's really helpful. With that said, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on the Show Me tab. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to connect with me, join our Slack community, and I'll see you in the next lesson.